How to enable or disable show sound labels in live caption on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on hearing enhancements and then tap on live caption. Next, scroll down and then tap on show sound labels. So tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on show sound labels. These things like sounds like laughter, applause, and music will be shown when this option is switched on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.